Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Thursday. And you know what? That actually is the day where we're going to have like high impact news, which is called CPI or CPI month over month. Yeah, on the forecast, it seems like things they're gonna go a little bit lower. Yeah, we will see that later. And actually we're going to trade that as we already have. Before I go there, you can check the services that we offer. Those are the signals. You can just pause the video and try. So this is what we have. This is a new group. Actually, I think I only have 2 people. So from now on, we're going to trade the news. I'm going to tell you what to do, what not to do, and also the strategies. Actually, I'm going to share some strategies in that group. So yeah, the group is still very new. You can join lifetime for only $30. Yeah, I hope you see that. Yeah, I think without wasting your time, we can just try to go straight to our to the calendar. You can see that actually there is around 3:30. You can change the time around this area so that it can match your time. So we had a load shedding, that's why I'm going to send this a bit late. So yeah, let's see the analysis without wasting much time. Please guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. And yeah, the channel is growing very nice. I like the views, guys. People are getting back to view the videos. So yes, if we have the time. The thing is, guys, around that time where we're supposed to go live, on my side we have this power cuts. So that is a like ongoing issue. I hope they can get that done. But I also have a solution coming. I'm just going to get a bigger like a UPS, something that will help me with the electricity when the power goes off, right? I hope you see that. So what's really happening here is, yes, we are on GBPUSD. Remember, today it's CPI and pairs with USD. Mostly they're just going to consolidate. We're not going to see much of the moves. So yeah, mostly it's just going to be like that. So what I'm going to see here, it's going to be like easy for after the market, after CPI. After CPI, then the market will start to move. But currently, the market was just consolidating. Sorry, I thought someone wanted to speak to me here. That's why I actually tried to pause. So yeah, what I see is the market is still consolidating a little bit around that area, but the bigger picture is we are on this uptrend. So it means we're still expecting the market to push the upside. And I also want the market to push the upside. Why? Because we are on an uptrend. We're expecting to do what? To buy. Then we can have something. I'm expecting that. Actually, I'm expecting the inflation to go a little bit lower. Then that will push the market to push the upside, especially against the dollar. So I'm expecting the market to push the upside. I think the analysis for today is quite similar to what we did yesterday. Why? Because the market did not actually give us enough moves. So yeah, I even see here, you can see here that we have, this is Euro USD, by the way. You can see that we have a very nice support area, and this support is actually pushing to the upside, which means we are on an uptrend. Going up again, we see that the market created something like that. Again, you see that the market created something very nice, which is actually a counter trend line. The market is still pushing to the upside. But yesterday we had something like this around this area, and as you know, or as I repeated several times, there is high impact news actually later today, and you can see the market has been just consolidating. So the market did not actually move that much, but I'm still expecting the market to push the upside. So for now, we can relax and wait for CPI so that we can get some very nice trades, because sometimes it becomes way too easier and when we actually see the figures. But since I'm a risk taker, I'm just going to jump on that. If I'm right, I'm going to take something. If I'm wrong, I'm going to lose something. I hope you get that. I hope you get that. So now we are on USDJPY. Guys, I'm a risk taker. I'm a risk taker, especially this year. I have to make a lot. I have to make a lot, especially as I stopped some services that I was offering. I stopped mentorship. I stopped the robot. Because I have to keep the updates and stuff like that, so I don't actually have enough time for myself to actually trade. So when I'm talking about the trade, remember we also have something like this. It's still on, guys. There's only 2 people who talked to me, and then actually they did not actually pay. So it means if you are out there, I only need 5 people actually, so that I can just manage their account, and which is going to start on the 3rd week. I don't know if this is the 3rd or 2nd week, or this is the 2nd week. Next week actually I'm going to start with the new accounts and adding them, because yeah, that way I know my plans are going to move very smooth. So yeah, let's go back on that USDJPY. So what's really happening is, I've been discussing this. The market is pushing lower, very nice. The market is on a downtrend, and when you check, the market still is still going lower and lower. When we go closer there, you can easily see that since the market touched or very closer to our resistance, now the market is trying to do what? To push the lower side. We also sent that signal in the group. I hope maybe now they are eating. Obviously they are eating. So yes, we are actually on a downtrend. So that's why I'm expecting the market to do something like this later on. I'm expecting the market to give us a very nice sell. That's what I'm thinking. So let's push to the next one. I just want to make this video very quick or very short, so that actually you can watch it as soon as possible, as I'm already late. This load shedding thing, guys, I hope you get used to that. So now we are on gold. What's really happening on gold? Gold, guys, this is gold. XAU, it's gold. What's really happening? Gold is stronger against the dollar, so which means yes, we are actually on an uptrend. We were able to identify our support area, and we're not even cutting most of the candlesticks. So which shows us that, you know what, we are on a correct trend. So I'm still expecting the market to continue with this trend, something like this. I'm expecting the market to push, actually, to keep pushing up with that trend. You can see the trend. I'm expecting the market to sell a little bit before pushing up. And we are on a bullish. That's why we're expecting some bullish moves. Yes, sometimes the market can reverse before pushing up. But currently, we're just expecting the market to push the upside. But I think maybe I will update you. If the power doesn't really go off, I saw that they say it's going to go off around 2. If it doesn't, then we're going to be fine. We can even go on our live session. Hey, it's been a long time, guys. Seriously, long time. So this year, we never actually tried a live session. And even around November, December, we never had some great live session. So because of this load shedding thing. So what's really happening on US oil? The market is still actually respecting our downtrend. If we go closer there, you will see that the market is still actually struggling to push the upside. The market is still struggling to push the upside, even though that we saw the market trying to reverse around this area. But you can see that from this area, we never had anything touching that area. So we had another zone there. The market never pushed above that. So it means maybe this will be our next resistance. Around this area, it's also something. Maybe if this breaks, maybe we'll expect the market to reach this area before bouncing back. To reach that area before maybe bouncing back. But for now, I think it's just that time where we're supposed to relax. Sometimes, guys, it's not like every day you're supposed to just trade. Sometimes, guys, you just need to sometimes relax. Some days you're going to lose. Maybe today or tomorrow you're going to lose. Don't fight the market and say maybe you want to recover that quick. Take it slow. Just imagine if you are consistent, if you are so disciplined, starting from this January. This is the 2nd week of January. Just imagine if you are that consistent, you are disciplined, your emotions are like, actually everything is fine. You're applying your risk management. One way or another, you're going to make it. Serious. One way or another, you're going to make it. But the problem is when you don't want to lose, you go back, you try to revenge the market, you enter extra positions, you hedge, you do all these things. Then there is a problem. There is a problem. But if you want my signals, you can check here. You can just talk to me. $45 monthly, $80 6 months. 12 months is $150 and lifetime is $250. If you are out there and you want to join the team, let me know. Just WhatsApp me. The numbers are there on the screen. So yeah, let's go back on our US oil. So on US oil, you can see that the market actually, we are actually on a downtrend, but the market is actually playing games with us. So there is a chance for the market to push lower, or maybe the market to reach this area. And if the market reaches that area, we'll be expecting to do what? To sell, or maybe the market will get out. And if the market breaks that out, I'm not going to buy, because we have several areas where we can call a resistance area. So that it will be like, let me just leave the market to do its thing. But for now, I'm still actually on a bearish move. Yeah, now we are on US30, Dow Jones. We are on a blue dot, US30. So what's really happening on US Wall Street 30? We see that the market is actually on that downtrend. The market is actually downtrending. Do you see that? And yesterday we had a very nice trade, expecting the market to sell. Guess what? The market just went into small profit, and we took a loss there. We took a loss, but it's not something that we're going to cry about, because we know we're going to recover. We're not over-risking. We're not doing anything crazy. That's why I want people who maybe want to join this. I just want to show you that, yes, it's possible. It's possible that you can trade, take minimum risk. Yes, along the way, we're going to lose. We can't just go straight to 2,000. No, we're going to lose. Sometimes the account might go a little bit lower, and then we can recover. Simple as that. So if you want to be part of the team, or if maybe you want to join my news group where we trade only the news, just let me know. Just let me know. The group is still very fresh. There's so many things that we're going to share in there. So just let me know. So what's really happening on USDJPY? Sorry, on US30, we can easily see that the market is still on a downtrend. We have a resistance here, very, very close. So this gives me this vibes that maybe when they release CPI, we might see the market shooting lower. Yes, the market can shoot up a little bit, then after lower. Or because this area is very strong, there is a chance that the market might not break that area. And if that happens, it means we will see a breakout out of this resistance. That will be great. And that is actually what I'm expecting. I'm expecting the market to break this area. I might be wrong. That's possible. I might be wrong. But yesterday we had a sell. Hey, the market punched us. A small sell, thinking that maybe the market will respect this area. And then the market pushed a little bit lower. Now the market is up. Then we were out. Yes, we took a loss. We lost there. It's normal actually when you trade, and we're not going to cry about it. So what we're going to do here is I'm just going to wait for the CPI and see what's really happening. But I'm expecting the market to shoot up. Yes, there is a possibility for the market to also shoot lower. If the inflation is going up, that will push the market to push lower. You see. But if not, maybe we'll see the opposite. But I'm still bearish actually on US30. But CPI will actually decide if maybe the market is breaking that resistance or not. If it's breaking, it means that we will look for that bullish move. If not, so if not, we will see maybe the market continuing with the bearish momentum. So now we are on NASDAQ, NAS 100, US Tech 100 or US 100. What's really happening? I like the structure here. The market is still actually showing us that, you know what, I'm still going down. You can see the resistance is very nice there. It shows that everything actually still respect the structure. But today we have some crazy news, high impact news. So the question is, will the market actually respect that area, or maybe the market will just bounce back? I think the market will actually bounce. I think the market will try to do something like this. This is my view, guys. It's not like I'm saying the market will automatically just push the upside. If that is not going to happen, it's fine. I will be wrong. But if it's going to happen, that's also fine. We will be eating. There's a chance for the market to push up to this point before pushing lower. Do you see that? Or maybe the market will just start by pushing lower, because that is about the figures. If the figures are negative, it means the NASDAQ is going to push the upside. But since we reached this area, the market is being like seriously aggressive, and I even think maybe the market will even break that support area, or maybe that will push the market up to this point. It's possible. Maybe the market will reach this area maybe before going down. Do you see that? I hope you see that. I hope you see that. So that's what I'm expecting, because I think maybe inflation was actually trying to go lower, especially when we saw US oil trying to push lower and lower. So I'm expecting the inflation to go lower, and that will boost the NASDAQ or US stock then to push a little bit higher. That's what I'm seeing, and I'm going to take that risk. I know I used to take those risks, and sometimes we lose, but most of the time we make something out of that. So I'm going to try that. I will even maybe take a small video. If I lose, it's fine. I will show you. Even if I win, I will show you. So if you want to be part of the team, you know what to do. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Thanks to everyone who also subscribed. If you are not subscribed, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button. Thanks to everyone, guys. I'll see you tomorrow or later on if the power doesn't really go off. Bye.